Okay, so welcome back. We have 100 days of trading of this amazing free bot. Yes, free bot. Performing 0.46% per day. And also in the for the last 100 days, but for the last 6 weeks, had only one loss of 0.1% loss, and performing of 0.6% clear profit every single day. How you can get this bot for free? Yes, you can get this one for free. What you pay is only if you make money. They taking 50% commission, I guess. Okay, I think it's called commission. Now, performance fee. Sorry, it's called performance fee. So if you make money, they'll take 15% from your profit. I don't care. I don't care. Here is my money. Go and trade for me. And if I make money, you take profit. If I don't make money, well, nobody take profits. You know, fair point. Now, this is CryptoPhil and this is Shitbot. Okay, we talk about Shitbot today. 100 days of trading history. I'm so happy I got here around Christmas time last year. Okay, it was V1, V2, V3, and now it's V5. Performing 100 days and it's performing absolutely amazing. Why I'm hyped? Because I did AMA with this guy, it's called Ted, who created the bot. And you can see the guy is so smart, so intelligent, and have so much knowledge. How he create the bot is just working crazy, okay? So I will show you all my trades now. If you see this one in red, because they are open. Everything when you see in red, oh my God, this is in red. No, they will be closed in green. Look at that, green, 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 green. Every single trade, it's closed in green. For the last 3 weeks, only one trade in zero. Look at that, we have the date. 15th of August, okay? That's a week ago. If you go here, let me just move my face. Move, there we go. Go right here. By the way, this is on Finandy. This is the website where we using this bot. If you go right here, if you go to the next page, I have 150 page of trading results. Go page number 2. This is real, like right here. This is my account. Let me zoom in, all right? If you cannot see it, look at it. Can we see the date? I think, yeah, probably we can need to move. Look at that. Look, trading green, green, one loss, 0.1% loss. That's crazy. That's nothing. Green, green, green. Look at that, 0.37, 0.48, 0.6, 0.5, 0.9. Okay, amazing. This guy is amazing. Now, before we go anywhere, just remember, nothing here is financial advice. Performance from history performance doesn't predict future performance. History results does not perform history. Doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Don't put more money you can afford to lose. I cannot say that shit. Doesn't matter. Okay, this crypto and you can lose everything. This is trading and it's very risky. So don't put more money you can afford to lose, please. Okay, now, also, if you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, how I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa, please watch. It's mean the world to me. Okay, let's go. We talk about Shitbot, okay? This is, and I think hopefully very soon, I spoke with Ted, he going to create Shitbot on steroids, and the godfather will be one guy of my Telegram who did name this name. We say, why you don't create some bot who can make more money but will be more risky? And we find a great YouTuber who made crazy gains in the last 2 weeks playing with 100 leverage, okay? That is too extremely risky, but he did like from 1K, he did 60K. That's crazy. So this guy, we spoke about that. So he said, okay, let me try to create something, but he didn't say I will create tomorrow. He said I will be ready by Christmas time. And I say, why Christmas time? Why not tomorrow? Because he said, I need to test like 100 times before it will be ready to put small amount of money to crack on. Like this Shitbot is been creating from Christmas time. And now it's July, okay? So we talk about 7 months of creating. So 100 days is working. So we talk about 4 months of good creation and like trial and fail, trial and fail, and that's what's happened now. Okay, so we'll soon, Christmas time, will be Shitbot on steroids, but it's too late for that. Like it's too early, right? Let's talk about this bad boy. Yesterday we did AMA. Okay, go and listen to AMA. We had some technical difficulties. Sorry about that. Go and listen in 1.5 speed. if you want to get into this bot, it takes you only 10 minutes. You create account here, okay? First, what you need to do is join his Telegram group, okay? It's called Shitbot Telegram. There we go. Right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's called Shitbot Telegram group, all right? Right here, Shitbot. Okay, the link will be in the description. Once you go there, okay, just says CryptoPhil send me. And say I want to set up the bot, and you just follow the instruction. It takes 10 minutes to set up, and you can send money from Binance Exchange right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is next week I'm going to do small video how to set up in finally how to set up with the bot. Okay, so check this out. This is my account. Okay, I have 1,070 bucks. Last time when I did the video I have 600 and something, but I top up. Why? After the AMA I got hype. Okay, I really got hype. Okay, so of course I don't have the money to top up more at the moment, but my goal is to top up a little bit more. Do not put more than 5k here. Okay, there's a rule. Do not put more than 5k. If you put like 4,000 something, when you hit 5,000, just take more profits. Okay, if you want to put more than 5, you need to open different accounts. It's no KYC, nothing like that. So it's great. So it's crazy, guys, crazy. Okay, let's go to page number. Okay, page number 3, page number 4. Okay. Let me zoom out so we can see the date, okay? Let me just zoom out. There we go. The date is 16 of 6, okay? So that's June. Look at that. Green, 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 green. Perfect, okay? Check this out. If you go here for trading, okay? Sorry, copy trading was. And if you put here, Shitbot, okay? This is the platform what we're using, okay? Shitbot right here. So, minimum to get in is 100 bucks. That's what he recommends. Fees only 15%, only 50%. I think this will go up probably in the next couple of months. Okay, now if you go here, okay, and you will see, and let me just move my face, my big face. If you go to graph, just move my face. Look how well it's performing. Look how well for the last 30 days, and look how well for the last 90 days. Perfectly fine, amazing. All right, I think this is the shit. Okay, so here the strategy, everything explained. This is the information, how it's working. Okay, it's a DCA strategy based on signals, ability to survive during any market valuation. All right, so trading at 20% leverage, 20x leverage, using less than 1% of capital for each order, max of 4 open position at a time, token from 15 selected trading pairs, consistent small gains for each trade with auto compounding mechanism. So that's the best thing. Okay, what's mean is you have auto compounding. By the way, I did not check this one. I think for 2 months I had around 400 bucks. When I come back around 2 months, maybe less, maybe more, it was around 670 bucks. Sweet. So my goal is to top up slowly just to see, and up to, you know, whatever I can afford, and then just leave it. Once, you know, come back in 4 weeks when is the prices, you know, when you put some profits, you know, just take your profits, leave it again, come back, take some profits. Okay, or maybe just open new account, just compound, but again, always take profits. Okay, you never know, if there are some black swan event, nothing can save us. Okay, now, by the way, this guy says if there are black swan events like FTX collapse, he create the way that the losses is very minimum. Okay, that's about it. I'm into bots lately. I have KA bot, now we have Shitbot, and also I'm going into Market Masters was from Sherlock. Okay, he's a great guy. Also, he's creating a beast also over there. So we have a good guys, good devs. And what else I can see? The money are in your account. You don't deposit anywhere. I think you create account here, and the money are yours. You can close any open position, and you can get out wherever you want. Okay, that's about it. If you want to join again, join the Telegram group right here. Will be in the link will be in the description. Tell them CryptoPhil send you. And again, congratulations for the Shitbot for 100 days of perfect trading. 0.46 daily. And if you go here to Shitbot, if you click here, results updates right here, you will see, okay, everything is explained right here, and also how to set up. There we go, simple. Get registered, deposit minimum 100 bucks, transfer USDT from spot account into future, join Shitbot copy trading, master trade AID, full up the copy trade. That's all. It's taking 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Again, keep on with the great job, Ted. We all love you. Respect. And please don't forget only risk capital. Goodbye.